Yeah, the bird will. But you can feed the tarpon. You hold that in the water, they'll eat it right out of your hand.
DJ, there were some big fish. I want to feed the tarpon.
Big Mutton.
Thanks. Oh, DJ, that's always scary every time you do it, man. Every time. You had to throw it right on my head, too. Do you notice how you had to throw it on my head? Let me get the skin, man. Dude.
Yeah.
I got my blood flowing.
I'm gonna do one skin. You gonna do it? Yeah. Let me cut it in half so they can eat it.
Oh.
Get the folder and then the... Thank you.
Here goes, Jay. You ready? What if I wash my fingers off?
Quick.
I just touched them. You see that? I just touched them, DJ. Ooh.
Oh, that's a huge one. Who can...
You want the meat? Wait.
No.